There's some over here.
Yeah, I know, but I thought there was 4 here. I thought there was 2 there and 2 there.
Oh. Are you watching Daddy do work? Huh? Yeah. Daddy? You can turn yourself around pretty good. Now she's trying to stand up.
That's great, Professor. But I was wondering, have you seen a bicycle? A bicycle? This calls for an official investigation on that.
Talking to you.